Hello dear student, today we are going to start a new chapter that is polynomial. Here poly means many and nomial means terms, that is many terms. Means in polynomial there are many terms. To understand polynomial, at first we should discuss about variable and constant. Variable that has no fixed value and constant that has fixed value. For better understanding, if we take different squares, then that has different sides value. But the number of sides will not change. Means the number of sides that is constant, but the value of sides that is different, and that is variable. The value of sides that is different, so that is variable, but number of sides that is constant. Okay. Now we will understand algebraic expression. Then what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression, this is the combination of constant and variables that is connected by some or all operation. Then what is operation? Operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. So algebraic expression, in algebraic expression, constant and variable terms that is separated by addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, that is called the algebraic expression. Okay. Here is one question, that how many terms in 4x square plus 5xy minus 2. Then there are three terms, 4x square, 5xy and minus 2, that is separated by operations. Okay. So answer is 3. Answer is 3. Now we will understand polynomials. That what is polynomials? What is polynomials? In an algebraic expression, if powers of variables are non-negative integer, that is whole number, then it is called a polynomial. Means if in algebraic expression the power of variables that is whole number or positive integer, then that algebraic expression is called polynomial. Otherwise that will not be polynomial. That may be algebraic expression, but that is not polynomial. So in algebraic expression, that should be a negative, positive integer, that may be a fraction, that may be 0, these all things. But there is condition in polynomial, that should be a only whole number. Okay. Then that will be a polynomial. Here is example of polynomial, x square minus 2x plus 4x minus 2. So the power of variable here is a whole number. Another example, 2y square plus root 2y minus 20. Here also is the power of variable is whole number. Okay. Now coefficient. What is coefficient? What is coefficient? Coefficient are multiplied in variables. Here in polynomial, add x cube minus 4x square y plus 2x minus 1. In x cube it is coefficient and that is constant. Means constant that are multiplied by variable, that is called the coefficient. Here 8 is coefficient, 4 is coefficient, 2 is coefficient. Okay. Now we will understand degree of polynomial. What is degree of polynomial? For polynomial in one variable, the highest power of the variable is degree. Means in polynomial, if there is one variable, then the power of highest variable, or we can say highest power of that variable, that is called the degree of polynomial. Here 2x plus 5, highest power is 1, so degree will be 1. Another example, 2y to the power 4 plus 6y to the power 3 minus 8. This is the polynomial and highest power here is 4. So degree is 4. Okay. For polynomials with more than variables, means more than one variables, that may be 2 variables, that may be 3 variables, that may be 4 variables, or that may be many variables. Okay. So find the sum of power of the variables in each terms, and highest power, that is called the degree. Okay. Here one example, 2x cube plus 5x square y square minus 3xy plus 4y minus 8. In 5x square y square, we at first sum the power of x and y, that is 2 and 2, 4. So highest power here is 4. So our degree is 4. Okay. Now constant polynomial. Every constant number, that is called the constant polynomial. Every constant number, that is called the constant polynomial. That is, 1 is constant polynomial, 2 is constant polynomial, 3 is constant polynomial, 4 is constant polynomial. Okay. Minus 4 is constant polynomial, minus 6 is constant polynomial. Okay. And its degree is what? Its degree is 0. Constant polynomial, it can be written as, if we take with variables, then it can be written as 2x to the power 0, 3x to the power 0, 4x to the power 0. Here power of variable is 0, so degree of this polynomial is 0. Okay. Now what is zero polynomial? What is zero polynomial? Then 0 is called the zero polynomial. 0 is called the zero polynomial. Then we will decide what is the degree. What is the degree? Then degree is not defined in zero polynomial. Why? Here 0, we can write 0 to 0 into x square, 0 into x to the power 3, 0 into x to the power 4. So here there are many degrees, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that degree is not defined for zero polynomial. Okay. Now what is zero of a polynomial? What is zero of a polynomial? So the value of x which makes the polynomial 0. The value of x which makes the polynomial 0. Here px equal to 2x minus 4. Here px equal to 2x minus 4 is a polynomial. Then what will be the 0 of this polynomial? Then that value that makes this polynomial 0. Okay. So to calculate polynomial, to calculate zeros of this polynomial, we take that polynomial equal to, 0 and we calculate, then we get 2x equal to 4 and 2 to the 4. So x equal to 2, means 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay. 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. That means if we put 2 in that polynomial, then that will be 0. Okay, so this is the 0 of the polynomial. Now polynomial, we should understand about many polynomials that will be based on names and that will be based on number of terms and degree. Polynomial based on degree, that is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial. Linear polynomial means that has 1 degree. Quadratic polynomial that has 2 degree. Cubic polynomial that has 3 degree. Biquadratic polynomial that has 4 degree. Means according to degree we name the polynomials. According to degree we name the polynomials. And here are the examples of linear polynomial, that is 3x plus 5, quadratic polynomial, that is x square plus bx plus c, cubic polynomial, that is x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and biquadratic polynomial, that is a x to the power 4 plus b x to the power cube plus c x to the power 2 plus dx plus e. So according to degree, these all are the name of the polynomials. Okay. Now on the basis of terms, the name of the polynomial, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial. Monomial means there is one term, one and only one term. Binomial means there is two terms, and trinomial means there is three terms. Okay. So 3x, 4x, 6xy, these all are one terms, single terms. So this is the monomials. These all are the what? These all are the monomials. Okay. 2x plus 5, that has two terms, 2x and 5. So binomials. 3x square plus 4x, that has two terms. So binomials. X square plus 3x plus 4, that has three terms. So that is trinomial. Okay. So on the basis of degree, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial. On the basis of term, that is monomial, trinomial, binomial. If there are many terms, then that is called polynomial. Okay. Now our class has been over. Thank you, class.